So if you've spent any time with an SN95 Mustang, or any car from the 90s for that matter, you know what I know. The headlights are garbage.
I can't see shit out of this thing.
I've replaced the headlights. You remember way back when I put brand new headlights in it. It was better, but not good. Also, this car, well, she's seen some stuff. And the headlights don't quite point in the right direction.
Damn, these things are fast.
We also have this giant hole in the fender, which used to be a cold air intake, but it quickly turned into a dirt intake, so we moved the air filter back inside the engine bay. So we're gonna do something today that's gonna improve that situation. And also, come on, new parts, cool toys, let's go! Since our headlights just really don't do anything, we've got hot air getting sucked in from the engine bay. I really just needed a way to get fresh, cool air into the engine without ingesting as much dirt as I'd been ingesting. Like I said, headlights, fog lights, headlights, they gotta go. Because Ricardo with Sunchaser had something better. This is a 3D printed headlight vent that takes fresh air through your headlight opening, pumps it right back to where I need it. And I was thinking to myself, I was like, hey, that's pretty cool. You said that's 3D printed, right? Well, how hard it would be to flip it to the other side. So he made me another one. These are prototypes. These were his first prints that he sent to me. He's done some changes, cleaned up the print. These were a rough draft, so do not judge the build quality on these because there are some other cars that look amazing. Now I have already painted these blue, and I'm going to show you how easy they are to install. So it's going to be as easy as this. Old headlights out. Then we take the Sunchaser unit, and it bolts in factory mounting style, which is crazy. Slide that guy in there. You know what? It'd be easier if I did. Pop the old corner light out. So I've removed the headlight and I've removed the corner light. Now, take the Sunchaser unit. I'm going to slide it in on the keyways. Like so. Boom. Supplied hardware comes with the unit. Drop the tool because I'm me. Oh, I'm way over there. I'm gonna hook this back up. Turn signal back in. Now to the other side. Check out these really freaking neat setup. He's got these awesome little eyelets here that fit inside of these 3D printed covers, and then boom, nut goes in there. See if I can do this one without taking the side marker off. Oh yeah, like a glove. Money. Boom. Boom!
taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
There it is, everybody. New headlights, well, fake headlights installed. Other people who are using these, I'll link their pages on Instagram, YouTube, whatever they're doing. They're already using them on road course tracks and autocrosses, and they're saying they're seeing near ambient intake air temps. And that's awesome. Way better than my little hot air intake that I had to do to keep the dirt out of the air filter. So I can't wait for the next race so you guys can see this. It's gonna be really soon, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and go visit Sunchaser. He's currently on Instagram, Facebook, doesn't have a website up yet, but you can message him directly and he'll get these sent out to you. They are freaking awesome, and his new versions are even cooler. I cannot wait to see them. Anyway, thanks for checking out this video. See you next time.